In this video I'm going to show you how to disengage the automatic gears on a Volkswagen Jetta. This is a 2009 model, so you'd want to do this if your car is not turning on, it's in park, because it won't turn on, it won't allow you to move the gears. So what you need to do first, also locate the automatic gear shifter. You'll need to remove this cover here, quite easy to do, just as a few clips around the edges. And then once that's up, just lift it out of the way. Now you want to locate just down here, there's this little yellow, I'll just try and get a better angle, little yellow stopper. Let's zoom in, there we go. And what you can see is there is, so it looks like a pin going through it. So what you need to do is you need to push this pin in, and then that will allow you to shift the gear out. So push the pin in, and then it's hard to do with one hand, but I'm trying my best for you. Push the pin in,